Yo, what up, what up? It's your boy C's from theseedsoflife.com, and this weekend has been hella busy. I had a bunch of clips that I was about to put together, but it was very incomplete because my mind and everything was just out of sync for this weekend. And this is something that I have to kind of be present for, especially how important these like daily journals and vlogs are to me. That being said, I want to use this video and shoot this video to express my gratitude, right? All heroes, right, they do not wear capes. And I can tell you, I've been in constant struggle, especially trying to get my business off the ground. And one thing that I have to stop and do from time to time is express my gratitude. And I'm going to just basically share my gratitude to the individuals that had like very big impact on the man that you see today, right? So quick shout outs of gratitude to my virtual mentors. These are the guys that I follow and have gained inspiration from and helped me along my journey on the digital space. All right, first and foremost, shout out to my digital mentor, Miles BECKLER. I mentioned his name. If you haven't, I'm going to link his channel and his website down below. Like his mind, his tactics, everything has helped me along the way, and I wouldn't be as far along as I've come along, right, blah. If it wasn't for him. You know, I'm in his private membership group and I've gotten so much value from him. So I'm definitely going to link him below. If you follow his method and his path, you will be seeing an increase in your internet marketing business. Second, from our mindset coach, his name is Joseph Rodriguez. Like, he dissects books that I've already read, and he's like summarized them and created mind maps for them, and definitely gives you that sense of awareness. He raises your level of awareness when it comes to being present, like going through your entrepreneurship journey and always being the leader and going first. Like, he's dissected every single book, and all those books that he's dissected come together, like has some tie-in together, and then it just like gave me so many realizations throughout this journey of mine. Second is Bob Proctor. Like, I've been watching his seminars online, like his Science of Getting Rich, Paradigm Shift, all these things. Like, yo, follow this guy if you want to see some success. Mind blown every time. Next up, my other digital mentor. You know, he's digital and I know him in person personally. If I only knew two, he's on that spiritual sort of a path, and we are spiritual creatures, and what he offers on his channel is like some deep wisdom. So go check him out as well. Now, my in-person mentors, Coach Mike Urso, he's part of my mastermind group. Shout out the individuals in my mastermind group: Garrett Wood, Naomi, Tara, Billy, Zach. Like, all these guys have been so awesome. Although our mastermind has just formed, I just see some big things coming from this team that we put together. And yeah, my boy G-Day, his birthday is tomorrow. Yo, big shout outs to Gio. This guy is my Sagittarius brethren. He's gotten me into fitness. Like, I remember, you know, we've had this cross path where we were in a funk, right? We were in a funk. We were just like eating the wrong shit. Well, I was eating the wrong shit, doing the wrong shit, and he was working out, trying to get himself out of the funk. And I just hit him up like, yo, G, teach me your gym methods. And this guy has like literally shaped me into going into this new career path, because we hit the gym super hard, and then when we hit the gym, my world started to transform. I attracted the wife that I wanted. I attracted the life that I wanted. So G-Day, happy birthday, homie. And yeah, definitely an inspiration. And I don't know where I'd be if it wasn't for my boy G-Day, all right? So that's just a quick little gratitude I wanted to send out there. Now I have tons of work to do because I got to get caught up on these vlogs. And yeah, so from time to time, I am going to share my gratitude and shout out those who helped me along this journey, because it's a long road, man. It's for your entire life. And these heroes in my life definitely helped me get to where I am today. So go check those out. And yeah, don't forget to comment, subscribe, holla at your boy, all right? Till the next time.